Welcome back to Broed Up. Today I'm going to be trying to make an explosion using vinegar and baking powder.
Yep. I'm just here to do some stuff, so yeah.
Let's pour some.
Right. And then after I'll hold it in my good side.
Pour some vinegar. More baking powder.
Ah! Ow, 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 Mum, what is in that? Ah.
Right, come on, explode, explode, explode. Oh, you can look through.
Is that gonna explode? I'm so freaked out.
Come on.
A little more vinegar? You want some more?
Come on, explode.
I can hear it sizzling. Holy nachos!
I guess these sweet.
Right,
Give it a twirl.
Jason, if it
Yeah, it's
explodes,
coming up faster.
Jason, if it explodes, give me a few in a row.
Oh, sure. So.
Come on,
That's a different
explode.
video.